my name's Emily and I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video to your Google Classroom. So first you're going to click your class, then up above you're going to click Classwork, push Create, Assignment, and I'm going to title it Amazing Animals. That's the name of the video that I'm going to be using. Instructions are optional, but I'm going to just type please watch the video. And then you can choose points. I'm going to choose ungraded. There's not going to be a due date, but you can do that if you'd like. My topic is going to be animal videos, which I had already created earlier on. Down below, I'm going to click the YouTube icon. And then I already know the video I'm going to be using, so I copied that link, so I'm just pasting it, searching for it. I can click on the video and push add and see that it's saving. It's saved, and now I can push assign. Then I should be able to come up here and see that I posted animal videos. Here it is. I can view it and go to instructions here. Click that, and I can watch it as soon as I'm ready. So thanks for watching.